What is good, folks? This is Jay, and I'm back at it again with another reaction video. Today, I came across this new artist. I believe he might be New York based, maybe based off of the, hold on, let me look here. His name is Avalanche the Architect, and he just dropped a song, a music video called Talk That Talk. I don't know if y'all knew this, but I'm somewhat of a hip-hop head. So, you know, cadence matters, beats matter, the words and the storyline and what they're talking about matters. So somebody reached out to me and they said, hey man, this guy is pretty dope. Says this is the hardest shoot 'em up bang bang track and video ever recorded and filmed. So I'm gonna check this song out from this underground artist. He's not mainstream because this is my first time hearing about him, and I'm gonna say how I feel about it. All right, let's get it. Boo! Let's get it. Talk that talk, Avalanche the Architect.
Avalanche, part-time Avalanche. Oh, want it, nigga. We the violinists, you the quietest. The white Israeli, the black Zionist, crack scientist, I'm a lionist. The way I print bricks, the iron fist. I remember selling packs of big.
He's definitely got that old school flow, that's for sure. I'd say this is like more up north.
Soda, the fiends look and talk, just like Yoda. My runners know they gotta fill that quota. Drug mule in a rented Toyota. Bad bitch fat after named Dakota. I get you more snow than Minnesota in mid-October. Hitters get you clapped like a show. When it's over, I get you loot boot or dark water. No safety bulldog, dog and park harder. Manslaughter, your man's daughter. Thought you were damn smart. Shoot at his feet, a dance partner. Red blue connect the dots on Dan Parker. I collect poker money, better pay a damn marker. More green than a damn gardener. Faggot rapper sucked it to advance damn further. Wanna die for jewels? I'll make you a damn martyr. 20 million shirt revealed the bank charter. Cougar white bitch, you suck dick and Carter. Diamonds in my ring more yellow than Carter. Bullets cut more grains than a sand farmer. Back in the summer, I'll make it damn warmer. Got Teflon, Kevlar, and even dragon scale. Goddamn armor, I get you rock. No wrestling. We shoot those neighbors always meddling. This is a reckoning. I hear him beckoning. The silence from my carrot, afraid to talk is deafening. Speak with my hands and feet, I love to talk. Outline of bodies, ooh, I love to chalk. No Dwayne Johnson, the fiends love to rock. You owe me money, home invasion, I won't knock. Got cop killing bullets, that vest won't block. Money smell blood, the walls start to flock. I'ma hit him up, I ain't talking talk. You'll have to learn to walk and talk. Got the desert.
I think my favorite part was that part about Carter. Hold on, let me go back. Let me run that back.
Shoot at his feet, a dance partner. Red blue connector. I get you more snow than Minnesota in mid-October. Hitters get you clapped like a show. When it's over, I get you loot boot or dark water. No safety bulldog, dog and park
Carter.
Manslaughter, your man's daughter. Thought you were damn smart. Shoot at his feet, a dance partner.
One thing I really this is one thing I might start incorporating with certain songs I release too. Is I like to see more artists like I see some artists put their lyrics in the description. That's one thing I would love to see, like, cause some people are really lazy and they might not want to like click on the link and go all the way to like a streaming platform like Apple or Spotify. Yeah, I think especially when you're dealing with somebody like me that like likes to see the words, break the words down, and get some more in-depth detail on what exactly they're talking about. But yeah, but this is it's a pretty good track. I don't know if it'll particularly make my playlist, but this is definitely something I would play like on a road trip if I was feeling drilly. Like if I had a certain playlist for a road trip drill, this would go like right beside somebody like King Von,
Lil
or
Durk,
Stormzy, T
Stormzy.
Grizzly. Those are the vibes I'm getting, with a touch of old school hip hop flow to it.
I get you rocked, no wrestling. We shooting those neighbors always meddling. This is a reckoning, I hear them beckoning. The sounds from my parent afraid to talk is deafening. Breathe with my hands and feet, I love to talk. Outline of bodies, ooh, I love to chop. Young Dwayne Johnson, the fiends love to rock. You owe me money, home invasion, I won't knock. Got cop killing bullets, that vest won't block. Let me smell blood, the wolves start to flock. I'ma hit 'em up, I ain't talking block. You'll have to learn to walk and talk. Got the Desert Eagle, I ain't talking hawk. You like to talk, but your niggas talk a lot. You talk and talk until you get shot. Shoot off your mouth, you won't be talking hawk. I was OT with them balls just chillin'. I'm stronger than Brully, you weaker than Krillin'. A rusty ODFE, watch what I'm dealing. They get high, higher than the ceiling. Banana hat gaps that I'm peeling. The bitch on her knees, ooh, she's just kneeling. She's screaming Avalanche, ooh, it's you I'm feeling.
That's one of the things I really liked about people like Juice. Hold on, let me stop this. Turn it? No. That's one thing I really liked about artists like Juice WRLD, is when they incorporate stuff like anime, TV shows. I feel like that makes it, the track stand out even more outside of the lyricism, is when you can not only be relatable, but you can also... Whew, we good? That was my fault. my camera, it didn't die or overheat this time. It actually ran out of room. I forgot to delete some of those other videos I recorded for you guys. But all around, holistically, that was a really good track for hip-hoppy drill vibes wise. That was Avalanche, the Architect, Talk That Talk. I'm not sure if it's on like streaming platforms or not, but I definitely give it my stamp of, yep, it's actually available on Spotify. I definitely give it my stamp of approval as far as for my taste goes. Can't say the same for everybody else, but I like it. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's anything you guys want me to check out outside of like music videos, like I did like a reaction off the Jeffrey Dahmer's last interview. I think that was my last video. That one's surprisingly doing well, because, you know, sometimes I get a little curious about certain significant characters of the past, whether it's like a serial killer or somebody more positive of great significance. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to get a piece of their mindset and just to know how they think. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. See you in the next video. Peace.